Our next company is the Audience Choice winner. Keep in mind that they've had all of, I don't know, an hour or two to prepare. So let's give them a round of applause as they come in. Please welcome Donde, and presenting is Liat Zakeh. All right.
Hello. Hi, everyone. I'm Liat, and together with Oren Shai, we founded Donde, an intuitive mobile search for products. My background is technological. I was an officer in an technological unit in the Israeli intelligence and graduated with computer science and economics degree. I started working on Donde when I was extremely frustrated from the searching and shopping experience. I had an event, pitching on a stage on TechCrunch, and I was looking for a dress that I had in mind. I tried to go to my favorite store, but it wasn't there. I tried to go to different websites, different stores, spend a lot of time searching for it, and I tried to go to eBay, Amazon, and even Google, and it was very difficult to put in words a visual product that I had in mind, and I got a lot of unrelated results. With Donde, you can find exactly what you're looking for in less than 15 seconds. Let me show you how it works in our app. Okay, so here I am at Donde. I need to choose the color of the dress I'm looking for, and I really want it to be green because it's TechCrunch. Now I need to choose the sleeves. I'll go for short sleeves. The pattern of the dress will be plain, round neckline, and flirt skirt. Here I found the dress that I was looking for. And this is not a random selections of items. This is based on the technology we've been developing for over a year. It's based on a learning mechanism that combines the contextual information of the search of the user and her location, her age, everything that we can know about her taste and her environment, and it personalizes the items and brings it in a very delightful and seamless experience to the user. When I found a dress, I can buy it on the spot, and this is exactly the search I've been looking for, and find it in less than 15 seconds. What happened behind the scene is that we're scraping the data of different websites and different stores, extracting the unique fingerprints of every item, and using and creating an ontology, a common language of all the brands and order retailers. And then we combined it with the contextual information of the search that helps us, the same as in 20 questions game, but only in 5 questions game, using an artificial intelligence technology to choose the best question to ask you next. And in the end, we offer a very intuitive and delightful search experience for every visual product.
Great job. Donde. Judges.
Have you launched it? I'm now playing in the e-commerce fashion world a little bit. So with Spring, I don't think it overlaps. But as you think about the product universe that you're looking at, you said you guys build scrapers to go out, and so you're pulling from a bunch of big retailers so you get your supply set up. How do you make sure that your product universe is relevant and sort of updated and big enough?
Okay, so our technology and tools are scraping the data a few times a day, making sure that the information is updated. It's extremely important for the shopping experience.
Is your goal to be a standalone app, or do you plan on licensing this to existing platforms?
Yes, it's definitely an option. Right now, we've done a private beta, and we're currently focusing on optimizing our virality loop and the user engagement. But on a later stage, we will definitely build partnerships with different retailers.
And is your business model a referral fee on each sale?
Yes, yes. On every purchase, we get a commission.
Why are people? Why is this viral or social? Where is that piece of the product here? Because it feels like a one-player utility.
Yeah. So first of all, this is an intuitive mobile search for every visual product that have characteristics and sold online. We chose to start from the fashion vertical because as a woman, I know that searching for different items, I can share it with my friends. I'm not sure about it. I need an advice from someone. And this is exactly what we're doing right now, optimizing all these different ways that we figure out that could be extremely viral.
So far, it works with dresses and other
Yes, right now it's dresses, but we're working on, the technology is generic for every visual product, and we're working right now on expanding it to all the categories, all the brands. Will be available soon.
There's some pretty good and big search companies out there. What's the hardest thing you're doing here, and how do you make this defensible?
Yes. First of all, we're focusing on the mobile experience. Second, we've built a technology that creates a very intuitive way for people to search visual products. So there are a lot of companies that are trying to do image recognition search by taking a picture. We offer a wider use case of you just think of a product, you have something in mind, it doesn't need to be in front of you to take a picture, and you can do it through our platform. And we are very focused on our technology and the way we've built it, and it's unique. It's a proprietary algorithm that we've been working on. The idea of the questions. Yep. Yeah.
All right. Any other questions?
In order to go to different clothing types, you're just building out taxonomies to understand the optionality, so sleeveless versus not sleeveless and things like that.
So we have more than hundreds of features that we can ask about the product, and it's not necessarily, it's all the intuitive ways that people use to describe something, and we use the image and the description and everything we can get from the website and from the item in order to understand which kind of features we can ask, and then we use our algorithm that learns the user to decide which question would be next. And in the end, it's only
How do you acquire users? How do users find out about you?
Okay, so as I said, we've successfully proved that our viral loop within sororities and campuses, this is what we're focusing right now, is working, and we're still working on optimizing this. On a later stage, we'll go to user acquisition. We do see that we get high engagement and people buy through the app. And
if your business model is going to be that you get paid when someone makes a purchase, I assume the bigger the ticket item, the more you would get paid. So what will be your incentive not to always serve the most expensive dress or the most expensive item to the user?
First of all, the most important thing here is being a search engine, and we're objective, and we're going to give the user the best results, and it's not going to be based on price or about partnerships with different retailers. It's very important for us to be a search engine. We can monetize in a lot of different ways, and it's not necessarily need to influence on finding what you're looking for in this exact moment.
All right, that was Donde. You guys did a fantastic job. Remember, they just went out there presenting a couple hours ago, so excellent job, you guys.